Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Bet365 account is verified or not using the computer web-based app. And if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. I'm on the web app right now, and basically I've submitted my verification documents. And what you can do is come in here and then press the avatar button on the top right, and then go down to my account, and then from there go down to verification. And at the top it says verification of your account. Your account is verified. So that's confirmation right there if your account has been verified or not. Also, other ways that you can do it, go back up to the avatar icon, and then from there I've received a message because I've just received notification that my account has been fully verified. So come in here and it will tell you all about your account being successfully verified. From there as well, guys, if your account is actually verified, Bet365 will send you an email telling you if your account has been verified or not. So you can go to your emails, and then I just received this email about 15 minutes ago. It says, "Hi Andrew, thank you for your documentation. We are pleased to inform you that your account is successfully verified in accordance with our verification process." So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.